Voices of sorrow and defiance echoed within Kangpopi district as the Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights organized a powerful rally in the Kangpopi district headquarters.
So ani kung ya po rally hong sin kung gui ba. No solution. No solution. PM. We demand. We demand. We demand. Justice. Respect. Human rights. Respect. Human rights. PRPF.
Thousands of Kuki-Zo women have gathered here at Brigadier M. Thomas Ground to denounce the brutal killing of Mrs. Zo Sang Kim Mar, a young mother of three, and the recent massacre of 10 Kuki-Zo village volunteers within the same district.
Cycle headquarters South Continental. In a very heavy mood, he demands that the cookies, the mating for another Olivia, for another Dave, rub our wounds, forces with the police commandos. Fight! And our we demand more solution! PRPF! No solution!
These two chilling incidents have sparked a wave of outrage and intensified calls for justice within the community as well as across communities in the nation. As voices demanding accountability have reverberated through this rally march to DC office in Kangpokpi, this gathering has become a solemn yet fierce call to end the violence in Jiribam as well as to honor those lost in Jiribam.
No solution! No solution! No solution! We live! We live! PRPF! 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 Respect! Respect!
To learn more about this protest, let us speak to one of the leaders of Kuki Women Organization for Human Rights. Significance of this protest?
We are against the heinous killing of Zo Sang Kim Mar, and we are protesting time and again because brutality against women has been happening. And this time, not only regarding our sister Zo Sang Kim Mar, even our men have gone through this. Our village volunteers, Kuki-Zo village volunteers who were protecting, they even fell victim in the hands of the CRPF. They joined forces with the police commando and they killed our 11 Kuki-Zo village volunteers. And not only that, they even refused the autopsy of these dead bodies. What are the CRPF trying to hide? Trying to hide the human violation which they have committed? And the body where we saw the pictures where the eyes were even gouged out. I don't think so the CRPF would even do that to their enemies. But here, instead of protecting their Indian fellow, they are attacking them, and they have the attack which they have done with the bodies, it's very unthinkable. I don't think so anyone deserves that kind of death. And why do the CRPF, instead of taking a neutral step, why did they join forces in attacking the Kuki village volunteers, the minorities? And right now, hundreds and hundreds of Kuki-Zo women, we are doing a rally. We are going to submit our memorandum. The reason why we are doing this is that we no longer want to be together with these mighty men who sees women body as the battlefield, who do not even respect women's body. We want separate administration under the constitutional provisions of Article 239A. We do not want to stay together because we don't feel safe. The women, we don't feel safe here. The Kuki minority women, we don't feel safe. It can happen to me, it can happen to them, it can happen to any one of us. And this incident, it happened last year. No actions was taken. That's why on 7 November, we had to face this again. Our sister Zo Sankim had to face that. And if strict action, legal action is not taken, how many more women will be sacrificed for the hunger of these Métis men? Of the lust of the body lust that they have. I cannot even express how mad I am against the brutality which was done against our sister Zo Kim and also our brothers, our brave brothers, village volunteers, and news. They were all false propaganda, fake news, identifying them as militants. They are not militants. They are village volunteers defending. They are defending because the CRPF, the Central Forces, they did not do anything. They did not do anything when the village Zairon was burned. They didn't do anything when our sister was being raped and was being burnt alive. They didn't do anything. And the CRPF retaliated with the combined forces of police commando. And what we want is that we want separate administration, and also we want strict action against all those Jawans, against the commanding officer who was there on duty during that event. And we want the CRPF to back off, to go out, because they cannot take a neutral stand. Then we do not want them. Instead, we want the Assam Rifles. If the Assam Rifles were there during that incident, I don't think so we would have lost our sister, and I don't think so we would have lost our brave Kukizo village volunteers. And that's why we are rallying today. We are going to submit a memorandum. That's what we are going to do today.
Regarding the recent massacres, what steps have you taken to ensure justice to the victims?
This is the first step that which we are taken from the HR. That's all I want to say.
This is Nunhoing Ailut from Brigadier M. Thomas Ground, Kamupi District.
Respect! Respect! We demand! We demand! No solution! No solution! No solution! We win! We win! We win! CRPF! 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 Respect! Respect! We want justice! Respect! Human rights! Respect! Human rights! Justice! We want justice! Respect! Human rights! Respect! Human rights! CRPF! Down, down! CRPF! Down, down! No solution! No rest! No solution! No rest! We want justice! We want justice! We want justice! Respect! Human rights! Respect! Human rights! CRPF! Down, down! CRPF! Down, down!
lang po ako, Human Rights Commission, Human Rights Commission na ito, yung letter, oh, tayo na di ba?